Okay, just rained. Here's the garden. The wildflowers anyway. We'll pan this way. Some of these bell-shaped things. There's the maple. There's the yard. Planets more lavender there. That is a yellow dogwood bush. Sort of like this one here, which is a red. And there is another yellow dogwood bush. And along the fence there, you can't really see it, but there's a few more lavender. And over on my hill, there's my new giant Rubbermaid wheelbarrow, which I pushed 1.5 miles back home. And yeah, there's the red maple that my dad gave me a few years ago. Yeah, here's a blue spruce, which eventually I'm going to start planting my guerrilla garden there across the street in the strip that no one ever touches. Alright. Here's a picture of me. I just got back from my walk, so I look great. Bye-bye.